Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. We have an unboxing here from Victorious Moon. So let's get into it and see what we got today. Alright. Sorry about that. Okay. We have a paint by number, and they actually used a paint by number box this time.
Mom.
It's a nice little box. A little bit of damage here, but it shouldn't hurt anything. It's a paint by number.
Mom.
Excuse me, back up, please.
I want us. Not yet. I want us.
Well, this is nothing in there. Empty. Okay. For starter, this is already completely different from the last kit.
Yeah.
Because my last one, these colors were actually in like a little styrofoam tray holder thing, which was awesome. Kind of disappointed these aren't now. And the canvas is not taped like it was on the last one.
Mom.
Okay, and we are also missing the little thumbnail with the little inventory list. And also, this one did not come with a color map, which is a little piece of paper that has the same as this on it, but it's the reference to. So I don't like that. That's missing. And it comes with these paint brushes, which I'm going to tell you now. If you can afford to splurge and get you some better paint brushes, I'd go ahead and do it. Because I promise these aren't the best in the world, but you get a flat tip,
Mom,
and then you get two little fine points. And we got 22 colors.
Mommy,
they don't even have it on the side of the canvas like they did on the first one.
Mom.
What, buddy?
Don't buy one.
Yes. But I know it's going to be hard for y'all to see what this is. So I will go ahead and put a picture of it up in the end. But, yeah. Other than missing the little color map and the thumbnail with the inventory and the styrofoam thing that holds these. I mean, it's completely different from the first kit I got. I'm a little disappointed in this kit, to be honest, because it's not like the first kit. That being said, I'm going to go ahead and end this video and go ahead and upload it. And then we'll try this painting out and see where it goes. But I hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll be sure to put a picture up. Thank y'all. Have a good day.